Hi there! We just released our new image editor together with versioning. Furthermore, we added renditions, also known as linking files in Razuna. Let me show you how this works. Let's go to any of those images and go into the file detail. Now you will see that we added a new edit button and versions and a new rendition tab. Let me create a new image. All right, so this is the new image editor. It loads the image in full screen, and we have several different options here. Resize, crop, filter, annotate, and so forth. Let's say I want to take this and want to resize it. You can move your mouse to make it smaller or bigger, or then crop it directly in here. So let's see, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna make this beautiful house, just showing the house directly with the tree back there. All right, here we go. Now we got this. Now there's multiple options here. I can either click on save and replace. This will create a new version and create a version of the old one. Save as new, which will create a new rendition and link to it, or then I can directly download it in a different format. Let me just create a new version here. This will replace it, will create a new version, and we will see here in the version tab just now it updated the new image right in here, and within the version tab I have the previous version. This is the one here, and I can restore here, delete, and so forth. Now that's how the versioning works. So let me go back here and restore it, and sure enough we now have the previous one here, and this is the newly one restored. All right, great. So this is how the versioning works. If I want to create a rendition, I go the same way here, and let's say we just want to create different views of the house itself, and let's take this one, and this time I say it's a new rendition, and you will see that once this has been processed, we will now have here the link to the new rendition, and on the rendition here we have the additional one. When I go here into the file listing, you will see it says here rendition with the same file name. Now you don't need to keep them in the same folder. You can move them to any folder as you like, but by default it puts them in the same folder. So go in here and I have the renditions. Let's say I want to create another one to show you with many different renditions how this would look like, and let me take this detail view here with this one and save this as new as well as a rendition. And once it's updated, you see here the two renditions, they're right here, and again they're also listed in here in the view. They're single files, so you can use them as single assets within Razuna, or then of course here they're linked now. Now under usage you will also see that the renditions, when they're linked or anything, so let me go to a rendition, and you will see here that this file is a rendition of this original one. I go in here and it opens the linked one. Now renditions, you can also link files together just in here by drag and dropping them. Let's say here I want to connect those two, and just by simply dragging the one image here to the other, I will be able to link them together. So I do this here, and you will see here drop here to link, and now the two files are linked. If I go in here, I can see here this is now linked together. Alright, this concludes how we have done the versioning and image editor with renditions. This is already now available in your Razuna account. Thank you, and until next time.